What's up, guys? Zanrith here with a micro video. Little update for you guys. For those of you who don't know, I'm in Buffalo, New York, and I'm pretty close to Canada. So every once in a while we ride over there. I'm thinking of taking this over there in a couple days, and I was trying to figure out how to change it from miles per hour to kilometers per hour, and I found out how, I think. Let's see if I can do this in one try. You set it over to odometer by hitting mode, and then you hold mode and tap reset. Now it just changed from miles per gallon UK, and it changed to Celsius. So hit it again, kilometers per hour Celsius. So you hit it twice on this bike and it'll change over to kilometers per hour. That easy. It also makes your odometer in kilometers that way, so make sure you change it back when you guys get back or take it in for service thing. You listen to the wrong thing. So again, hold mode, keep holding, tap reset, keep going, back to miles per hour and US miles per gallon. And the coolant went back to Fahrenheit. So there you guys go. If this is helpful, give it a like. If you like my videos, give me a subscribe. And if you want to see more, hit that bell notification. Catch you guys later. Bye.